2.
Sir, I'm not even done number 1. You're saying
But done number 1.
I've not done.
He said, we doing number 2. Yes, sir.
All right, let's look at number 1. Who can do number 1 for us?
Sir,
Yes.
this is very simple.
Is the
So we're going to do
we are going to do CLT.
Wait! No!
Move your hand.
Sir, this year we're going to do CLT collect item. That is 2p equals 6a. 2p equals fit. Fit, I don't understand.
Sorry.
16 plus 16. What is this thing?
Okay.
16 plus
Faith and
16.
Favor, do you know
16
what
plus
happened?
16 is 32. 30. Divided by 2. 2p.
Okay.
We're going
16
to
plus
divide both sides.
16.
So we're going to divide it.
is
So,
30.
Faith, what is your You're just making it to freeze on me. What do you know from number 2?
You now divide both sides by 2, right? Okay, excellent.
Yes, sir.
I like
Equals.
There's no number.
What the host? Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen? Okay,
Yes,
good.
sir.
All right. Excellent. Okay, so let me quickly do this. Now, I think if we use different colors, there are some, it's opened. So it opened. So there are some colors that we can change and some colors that we can't change. Let me run it so that we see we agree on the colors we change.
Sir, yes, it open, thank God. Sir, we should change the background.
We can change the color of the sky to blue, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so let's change the color of the ground to blue. Then let me see what else.
Background blue. This rectangle should change to pink.
To what?
Red. To red. This rectangles here should change to red.
Okay, let's start with the sky first. So now let's look for the sky, which is the first. I I want to believe it's the first rectangle. Okay, can you see that 0 0 there on line 4? Can you see the 0 0
Yes, sir.
there?
Oh, my charger. My battery is low.
That 0 0 shows you the position. So red, green, blue. So I'm going to, based on that understanding, I'm going to make okay. Okay, I hope you can still hear me.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Let me share my screen again. All right, so red will be 0, green will be 0, and blue, I'm making blue to be 200. Let's see how that looks. So that's for the first rectangle. For the second rectangle, I think it's okay to leave that one as green. Let's see how it runs. Okay, can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've changed the background to blue. What else did you say we should change? The color of the car, right?
Sir, no. Sir, I said that you should change the car. The car colors. The car color should be what? Red. You said the car color should be red.
Okay, the car color should be... Okay, so the car color should be red. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so for that to happen, I think this the first field is for for those two rectangles, while the second field is for the two tires. Okay, so for me to make it red, remember red, green, blue. R comes before G, comes before B. So red, green, blue. That means I will make my red to be 255. Oh, okay, no, let's just make it 200. Let's not make it too red. Then we'll put 0 on green and we'll put 0 on blue. Okay. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So with that, let's see how it plays out. I'm going to stop it and play it again.
She wants to go
Do
to
you like
Google.
it now? Is it okay like this?
Listen to Mr. Charles now.
Google. Did I open? You opened it. Did I open it? You know,
Well, it's okay.
Can you see it now?
yes, sir.
So it's okay as red.
Okay, sir.
The wheels, are the wheels okay? We like the wheels are okay the way they are, right?
Sir, can we maybe change these car tires black?
The car tires should be black.
Yes, sir.
If you want the car tires to be black, okay. If you want the car tires to be black, then that means black means 0 on all the colors. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's see if that works. It should work. Okay. So I think this is okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So let me stop it, and I think it's supposed to be automatically saved.
It is good.
So let's see. All right. So Favor, your own, I think it's only Favor's one we're changing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. That's fine. All right. So let's go back to our maths.
Number 2.
Yes.
This is
Okay.
find
Okay, yes, go ahead.
number 2 says find the time in which
Yes.
44 naira will
Yes.
yield 33 naira.
Okay.
Simple
So what's the formula?
at 15% per year.
Yes. What's the formula for time when time is not
Time is
available?
100 times some simple interest over
Over.
principal times rate.
Yes. All right. So go ahead and do that. So that's 100 times what?
100
Interest. In this
times
case,
11.
where did you get 11 from?
If we do 44 minus 33 is 11.
No. Okay. See, I know you are remembering the last example that we did. See the difference here. The one that we did back then, the amount, did you notice that the amount was more than the principal?
Yes.
Now, when you compare 33 and 44, did you notice that 33 is not more than 44? So that means 33 is not the amount. 33 is the interest. Do you get it now?
Yes, sir.
33 is the interest. So there's no need to subtract anything. So you need to be careful. Sometimes the question will tell you amount. Whenever the question tells you amount, plainly, you will know. Okay? So please don't allow that to confuse you. So no need to subtract anything. So time will be equal to what? 100 times 33. Okay. 100 times 33 divided by what? Talk to me now.
100 times 33 over
What's the
44.
principal?
44 times 15.
Yes.
And that's
Yes,
our
44.
total. And our total,
Yes, times
our
15.
answer is going to be 5 years.
Okay. Okay. You used 11, right?
100 times 33.
100, 11. 11 in this is 3. 11 in there is 4. 3 in itself is 1. 3 in 15 is 5. Okay. 5 in itself is 1, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
5 in
So our
100 is
answer is
what?
5 years. 20.
20.
20 in
Okay. And
4
then
is
4 in
5.
20 is what? Is 5. Thank
5.
you. Not 20 in
That's
4, but 4 in
5.
20. 4 in 20.
Okay.
Okay. Let's
Yes,
not
sir.
forget. All right. So that time is 5 years. So yes. So go ahead and write it in your book. 5 years. So please take away
Yes,
from this
thank you.
question. Always take note of when the question is saying amount versus when the question is giving you the interest directly.
Return it. Return it. That's the only thing. Yes, child. Sir, I'm done. Number 3.
You said you're done?
Red pen, please.
Okay. So let's go on to the next question. The next question is a parallelogram. Who remembers what's the formula for finding the area of a parallelogram? It's a very simple formula.
I'm
Yes.
sure half open bracket A times B close bracket.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
This is a parallelogram, not a trapezium.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a trapezium.
Half.
No, open.
No.
It's not.
The
B
formula is
times
very
H
easy.
instead of A times
It's
it
just
is B
base.
times H.
B times
It's
H.
just B times H. That's all. So in this case, the base is 8, isn't it?
The base is 8, yes, sir.
Yes. So 8 times 5 is what?
40.
Okay. All right. So please write it in your book. So if you notice something, the area of a parallelogram is somehow similar to the area of a rectangle. The only
Yes,
difference
sir.
now is that we are, instead of us to be looking at the slant, is the height that we're after, but it's just base times height. Okay. So if you can use that to remember. Okay. Then I don't know if you want to equally compare it with the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is half base times height, but parallelogram's own is like it removes the base and says sorry, it removes the half and just leaves it as base times height. Okay, are we done writing? That one is too short now. It's very simple, right?
Yes. Sanko means I'm ruling my book.
You are removing your book.
She's ruling.
You're ruling your book. Okay, the next question is a Venn diagram. Okay, it's called a Venn diagram. I'm sure you girls must have seen it in other questions, and it's very common in mathematics.
It's common in
So
board
it
maths.
gives you information in where.
Bond mass.
Bond mass.
Bond.
Where have you seen it?
In bond.
Bond
Bond is
mass.
a type of
Okay, I
math.
understand. I heard you. Okay. Yeah, I understand. I heard you. Okay. So the question for this one is how many people read the Punch? And I want to
8.
believe they mean Punch only. 8.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
8.
Now, did you notice something? We can't afford to what do you call it? I don't know how to explain it. Let's not assume anything. Had it been they had put the word only, I think we would have stuck with 8. But because they didn't put only, what do you think is going to happen? What do you think is going to happen?
I think that what that's going to happen is that the people that did punch and the one that is in the middle, that is 3. 8 plus 3
Yeah.
is 11.
11, exactly. So I think I'll go with B as my answer for this one instead of A. Okay. So let's take note of that, because I noticed some questions on Venn diagrams, they will end it with only and put the only in italics, which means that they are emphasizing only. Okay, so let's go on with that. So the next one says, how many people read the Champion and Daily Trust? Champion and Daily Trust. Now, Champion and Daily
18.
Trust.
18.
Again,
18.
11 plus 11 plus 7 is 18. Okay. So Champion and Daily Trust. So I think it's fair to say 18. Okay. All right. Then question, how many read all the newspapers? How many read all the newspapers?
How many read
Hmm? All the newspapers.
how many read all the newspapers? That is going to be 29.
Is that how you want to
29.
see it?
Yes, sir. 11 plus 11. So they made the arrow instead of
Are you sure we want to take it that way? The
it's
people who read
20.
all the newspapers, say the total number of people versus the people that who read all the newspapers. I think that number in the middle,
It's
that
3,
3 should be our focus in this question.
3.
So let's go with 3 so that we'll be on the safe side. Yes, let's go
Read
with 3.
Oh, it's not like you plus. Okay, 3. Oh, 7.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Ooh, number 7 is interesting. Find the rate of interest of find
Yes.
the rate.
Yes, it's not like the so we're done with that. Find the rate of interest question on simple interest. So what's this one looking for?
Okay, rate.
What's this one looking for?
So rate. That is
Rate. Good. So rate is equal to what now?
100 times interest.
Good. It always starts with 100 times interest, isn't it? 100 times interest over what?
Over over principal times time.
Good. 100 times interest. And in this case, the interest is what? They've given us the interest plainly here. 99. Thank you. It looks like they have double identical digits in their minds today. So principal is what? 1,200, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So remember when you're solving your questions, we don't write the comma in all the thousands and all that. Okay. Time is, now be careful with that time. 1.5 years. 1.5 years. How would you treat that 1.5? Who can tell me the different ways we can do it? How will you treat that 1.5? Yes, I'm waiting for somebody to give.
You would have done that. 1.5 is that 1.5 change it to improper fraction.
Improper fraction. So that means you leave it as 3/2. But how will you write 3/2 in the denominator of this thing?
100 times 99 times 3 times 1,200 times 3 times 2
times 3 times 2.
Hey.
Times 3 times 2 or times 3/2. Talk to me now. People are not sure of yourself.
I don't know.
You are not sure of yourself. Whenever a fraction is in the denominator of something, that fraction is being divided, isn't it? So you know what will happen to a fraction that is in the denominator. It will get flipped. Is that not what has been happening to all the fractions in that that ended up being divided?
Yes, sir.
When you remember that question that we did before in that last question earlier today that said divide both sides by a fraction. What did you do? Did you not flip it at the end of the day?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
So if you flip 3 over 2, it will become 2 over 3. Let me show you what will happen. The 2 will find itself on top. And the 3 will find itself where?
Beneath.
Beneath, exactly. All right, so can you see how it now looks? Another way you can do it, but I don't know if you want to go this method, but you see that it will give us the same answer, is you can do 100 times 99, okay, divided by 1,200 times 1.5. That's another way you can do it, okay? Then you will now treat it the same way we did with that first question, that question that had 0.5 in the denominator. Do you remember the question?
Yes, sir.
So that's you can do it. Wow. That's good. We have a miracle here. Okay, so just restore the light.
Okay.
It's our dream of even though some things have cut short our 3 hours, but it's still fine. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir. Sir. This is the method I used. This is the method that you said 100 times 99 times 2 over 1,200. Yes, sir. And he gave me 5.5%. Oh, yeah.
Hello, Faith and Favor.
Sir, we use this method. Sir, we use a method. That is this one. No. I and Faith, we use this method and it gave us this answer. He gave me this answer. He gave me 5.5%. So that is 5.5%. Is B. Is it B or is B?
He gave you what percent?
5.5%. This is the one that we did.
I don't see that happening in my own. No. It doesn't look like it's going to happen. 4 in 33 is what? 8 whole number 1 over 4. And right? Sorry. My bad. It's 2. Sorry, that was a mistake. I've seen where I made a mistake. 2 in
2 in
hold
this
on, I'm not done. Yes, I understand. I've seen it. 2 in 12 is 6. Okay, so 6 in 33
is 11 over 2. It's also known as 55.5. Yes.
5 whole number
5 over 2. That is
3
known
over
as
6. So that is 5.5. Okay, you're right. I agree with you. Okay, you can go ahead and write in your book. But what I'm just trying to tell you is that if you follow this method or you follow the one that I have down here, you will still get the same answer. And you know that method that we did, that when you move this decimal point to the right, are you looking at my screen?
yes.
when you move this one to the right to make it a whole number 15, maybe we should just do it so that we'll have a variety of ways to do the same thing. When you move this one to the right, what should happen to any of the numbers on top? Who can tell me? What should I do to any of the numbers on top?
The numbers.
I've moved this 1.5 down here. I've moved the decimal point to the right to make it to be 15. What shall I do to any of the numbers on top? Who can tell me?
Add 0 to the 99.
Thank you. Thank you. Add 0 to either 100 or 99, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for that excellent answer. That's what I expected to hear. Please, again, do not fall for the temptation of going to go and add 0 to both 100 and 99. No, you will not. It will not be. What do you call it? You will not be adding 10 anymore. You will now be adding 100. 110 from the 100 and 110 from the 99. So you don't want to fall into that mistake. So this is how it will look. 1,200 times what? 15. Okay, so well done. You can see how it looks now. And if I promise you, if you do this, okay, there's no even need to start promising you. Let's even do it. This cancels this, right? What else? 5 in 15 is 3. 5 in 10 is what? 5 in 10 is 2. Are you looking at what I'm doing at all?
Yes.
Please pay attention. No. 5 in 10 is 2. 2 in itself is 1. 2 in 12 is 6. Sorry, it's looking a bit messy, but I'm sure you will get it. 2 in 10 is 6. In 12 is 6. So you are now left with 3 in 99. 3 in 99 is 33. So that, can you see that we came back to the same answer? 6 into 33, isn't it?
Yes.
And that is what? 5.5. All right, so you can go ahead and write it in your book. If you want to write the two methods, you can feel free to write them. But just be careful when you're writing it so that you get the drift. So let me draw a dividing line so that you don't go and mix up the distance from anyone.
Sir,
Yes.
as I waited
Yes.
for, as I finished, our paper was done since 1988. So as before we start, please, number 9. I'm looking at I'm always scanning questions. I'm always scanning the questions. So number 9, he said what?
You're always scanning the questions. You did not scan number 8. You left number 8 and went to number 9.
I've done number 8.
Have you finished number 7 that we're doing now?
I finished.
Madam.
I finished writing it.
Really?
Yes, sir.
The two methods?
No.
Can you help us so that you hold your ideas till when we get to that number so that we can catch up with you? If you start taking us ahead of ourselves, we might get confused. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So I want to believe we are done writing number 7. Let's go to number 8. A face mask costs, I want to believe that thing is £5.
No.
If the exchange rate is £1 to or whatever currency.
No, you said the face mask cost.
It's not.
Euro. Is this how it is, June?
So what will we do in that question 8?
8 is multiplication. You do
question 8, correct. It's
11.50 times 5. That is
11. Did you just say 11.50?
11.50 times 5 equals to 75.50.
75 or 57?
57, sorry.
Okay, that's good. Oh, yeah, write it in your book. Let's go on to number 9 that Auntie Faith has been itching to get to.
What's the answer? How?
Okay, number 9. What percentage of 400 is 300?
300.
What
That's what I don't
percentage
understand.
of 400 is 300? Now,
12%.
let me show you what that question is saying. Can I wipe off this thing? Can I wipe off the other one?
Favor, can you wipe it off? Yes, sir. You should wait first.
Eh?
She said you should wait. She said you should wait first.
Ah, hey, I've almost clicked on clear all drawings. Okay, are we good? Favor,
Sir?
can I go on?
Yes, sir.
All right. So number 9. Number 9, let me just show you the picture of what number 9 is saying. Number 9 is saying that that something, 1%, a particular percentage of 400 is, please, whenever you see that kind of thing, don't even waste time. Just put your normal, see what this is how I would have done number 9. Number 9 is what percentage, Abi? Percentage means something over 100. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So I'll just put my X over 100. Since I don't know what percentage it is, but I know it is over 100. What percentage of, can you see as I'm writing it? What percentage of 400? Please, you see, I like it whenever questions come like this. I will write it exactly as the question said it. And I told you in mathematics, is the same thing as what?
Equals to.
So just put your equals to 3, then you now put your 300 on the other side of the equals to. Finish. So your job now is to do what? Find X. That's all. You will change that off to multiplication and you're good. So if you do that now, so let's quickly change that off to okay, no, don't worry. Let me leave it like that. Let me go to the second line. Second line, we're going to change that off to multiplication, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't worry. You don't allow the way the question is looking to confuse you. Just follow it gently. I always like to take questions bit by bit, especially when I'm seeing them for the first time. So X over 100 times 400 over 1 equals what? 300. Now, who can tell me what I will do? Readily. What should I do with the 400?
We will do.
Yes.
We can do 100 divided by 400.
Yes, correct. Just cancel the zeros, right? Now, what am I left with? I'm left with 4x equals what?
300.
Equals 300. So what will I do to both sides?
Divide both sides by 4.
Yes. And when I divide 300 by 4, what do I get?
75%.
75.
75, correct. So that is 75. So that's the answer. So can you see how easy it is?
Yes, sir. I didn't know.
All right, you can write in your book.
I do not know how this 400 is 300, so that's the way I don't understand.
Okay, was that what was confusing you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now it's clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So X is 75.
X equals to 71.
Okay. Can we go to number 10 now?
No. Okay, Favor saying no. Yeah.
Favor says yes. Okay. So I know when Favor says yes, that means it's time for us to move. Okay. Number 10 is simplify. Oh yeah. All the gurus who are excellent people at simplification. Let's see you show up. All the gurus excellent at simplification, show up.
Okay.
7 whole number, 1/2. So who can tell me what I'm going to do before I even finish writing?
Yes.
Yes.
Is 30. Our LCM is 30 over 20, 30 in
LCM. Are you sure that it's LCM we should do first?
No, we'll add the whole numbers together, then we'll do
Thank
the
you.
LCM.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear. Okay, so what's the LCM now?
30. 10. 30. 10.
5, 2, and
3.
3. And you're saying 10.
3.
5, 2, and 3. 5, 2, and 3. Let's take note. 5, 2, and 3. So are you sure 10 will work?
No, 30.
30, better. I think 30 will work better. Okay, so now we have 30. Let's work with it. 5 in 30 is what?
5 in 30 is 6.
6 times 1, 6. 2 in 30.
15.
15 times 1, 15. 3 in 30.
20.
3 in 30 is 20.
No, 3 in 10 is 3 in 30 in 3 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20.
10 times 2 is 20. Okay, I think I understand what you're trying to say now. Okay, but please don't confuse us like that next time. Okay, all right. Are you ready now? Yes, 6 plus 15 is what?
6 plus 15 is 21. 21 minus 20 equals to 10 number 1/30. That is not correct.
minus 20.
It will be 3 whole number 1.
Where did you get 3 whole number?
When we get everything, the answer is 10 whole number 1/10, 1/30. And that is not
okay. Have you written it down in your book?
Child, there's not. If you say that our 3 whole number 1/3 is not correct, what is the answer?
If the answer is not there, does it mean that we are wrong? Does it mean that we are wrong?
Study. Wait.
We did our best, isn't it? 6 plus 15 is 21. 21 minus 20 is 1. There's nothing that will make 10 to become 3. Even if we wanted to borrow from 10.
Okay, yes.
The lowest 10 can become is what?
Yes. 1 whole number 1/3. Yeah. This one's 3 supposed to be 1, not 3. 3 in this.
So what I think, see what I'm thinking. Maybe there's a whole number in front of that 2/3. You understand?
Yes.
Maybe there's a whole number in front of it. We don't know. So we cannot make that judgment. We are not the ones that created the question. So just leave it like that. Solve it. Write it like that in your book. We'll go to the next one. Number 11. So I'm wiping that off. We're going to number 11.
I'm coming.
You have not finished.
Yeah, I'm not finished. Okay.
Number 11 is also a simple question. In fact, number 11 is too simple. Child. Which kind of simple question is this? 3x equals 2x plus 5. Can you imagine? They now say, what is the value of x? Just collect like terms. Once you collect like terms, the answer is already looking at you. Once you collect like terms, the answer is looking at you. Who has done it already?
The answer is 5.
Exactly. Yes, the answer is 5. Look at it now. 3x.
If we do collect
By the time you
like
collect 2x to the other side, it will become 3x minus 2x, right?
yes, sir. That
And
is
3x
1x.
minus
1x
2x is as good as
divided by
1x, which is what are you don't need to divide anything by both sides. Just put x equals 5. The answer is 5. Okay. Plus 5 and 5 are the same thing. I hope you know that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's go to the next one. The next one, which is number 12. Number 12 is another easy one. Expressing figures.
Expressing figures. They are given for common answer.
Can you see this nursery one question that they're giving you people?
5,555 naira.
555 naira. 5,555 naira.
Wait, 5,555 naira.
B.
55 kobo, right?
Yeah.
B.
Yes. Everything is just 5,555,555,555. Okay. All right. Let's go to the next one. The next one says what? Find the value. This one is too easy. Find the value of P in the diagram below. Who can solve P for us? Now, do you think there is a small problem with this triangle? Who can guess the challenge we will have? Who can guess the challenge we will have? Yes.
The challenge is that
they did not give us
this
Thank you very much.
This side here.
Yes.
And also this one here and
no, this. Yes, they did not give us. They did not give us. In fact, they don't need to give us 2 of them. They can give us any of them, and we'll use that to solve P, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
That's a straight line.
So, too bad. The question looks interesting, but we cannot solve it because we don't want to go guessing. Okay. So let's simply move on to the next page.
Yes, sir. This thing is our right bonus.
Okay, so this next page, to be very, very sincere with you, it was not clear. So please help me read it from your side.
Using 22 over 7 for pi. Calculate the radius of a circle whose circumference is 88.
Okay. Calculate the what? Radius of a circle whose circumference is 88. So, question, what is the formula for circumference of a circle?
Circumference of to find sir, you say what?
What's the formula for the circumference of a circle?
The formula is r square. Pi r.
Circumference of a circle.
Pi r.
Pi
r square. For a second, the formula.
Wait. But we just did a question earlier this morning, no? So you did not go through your work before we had this class.
It is pi r square. Pi r square.
Pi r squared. Which kind of pi r squared?
Pi r.
Pi r squared is area. See, let me give you a hint. And please write. If you have to write it down in your book, write it down now. Anytime you see pi r squared, because of that squared, what should come to your mind? Area. Did you get what I just said?
Yes, sir. There's no square.
Please write it down in your book. Then earlier this morning, I told you that the 2 cannot appear 2 times. You can't have 2 pi r squared. So if area is pi r squared, it then means that automatically circumference will be what? 2 pi r, because the 2 can either be down or on top of r. Do you understand? Do we get it now?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Please, oh. And you were saying it confidently. Eh? I even heard pi r. I don't know where you got pi r from. Please, oh, it's either 2 pi r. Area is what? Pi r squared. Please, I'm begging you. I'm writing 2 of them down. Not that we need 2 of them, but I'm writing it down so that you see the difference clearly. Please look at it carefully. Oh. It will be so painful that after we have spent so much time on this thing, you still went and failed a question on circles. Circles are the easiest things to solve on. So now this question was saying what? Was on circumference. So we don't need this area own. We'll need use circumference own. Now.
So they said we should find the radius.
Yes, they said we should find the radius. There's no problem. We'll find the radius. Now, let me show you something about, let's substitute the things that we know. The circumference, see, they told us the circumference is what? Favor, I can't see you. The circumference is what?
The circumference is 88.
Thank you, 88. So you see that place where you have this C, just put 88 there. Then equals to, you put your 2, right?
Equals 22/7.
Times 22/7.
Times 22/3.
Please, don't just go and put 22/7 and forget the 2. It's 2 times 22/7. Yes. Then the r, we don't know the r, isn't it?
Yes.
So just put the one you don't know. Just write it like that. No wahala. All right. So let's try and see. Is there anything we can do here?
We can
7
do
cannot cancel
88
anything.
equals 7. 88 equals 7. 88 equals 44/7 times r.
Yes. Thank you very much. 88 equals 44/7 times r. So who can tell me what I'm going to do next?
We're going to do 88 equals to 44/7 times
What will we do to find r? What are we going to do to both sides to find r?
We're going to divide both sides by
I can't see Favor. Favor, are you there at all?
I'm here.
You're not saying anything. We're going to divide both sides by what?
44.
Is it just 44?
7.
Is it just 44?
44/7.
Thank you. 44/7. So what should I write next? Who can tell me?
88 divided by 44/7.
Thank you very much. You write the number that was there already first. Divided by what? Divided by what?
Divided by 7.
No, divided by 44/7. Was that not what you said now? Okay, so what do we do next? What do we do next?
We are going to this thing that will be 88 times 7/44. So we're going to divide.
Thank you very much.
44
times what? 7 over what?
88 is 2. 2 times 7 is 14.
Correct. I like that. That was quite easily done.
The radius
is
14 centimeters.
Yes, I like that. So you can write it down in your book. 2 times 7 is 14. Please, I would also advise that you take note of that thing that I said earlier. 2 cannot appear in in two places at the same time. It's either 2 pi r or pi r squared. And when you see squared, just know it is area. Squared is area. The one that does not have squared, the 2 will now come down and stay in front of pi. So that is 2 pi r, and that is circumference. Please, 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 please take note.
For the 4/7.
Okay, so can I go on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
No,
Excellent.
sir. No, she said no. She said no. She knows.
I thought both of you were just saying yes, sir. Now.
It's Faith that said yes, sir. It's Favor did not say yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Favor, you're good now.
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Okay, so let's move. What happened? You're not done?
I'm done now.
Okay. Number 15 is speed. Calculate the speed of a cyclist who leaves Zaria to Jaji, which is 40 kilometers away, in 40 minutes. Oh yeah, who is going to do that for us?
Yes, that will be 40 divided by 40. That's 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer per hour. 1 km.
I wish I could just say my favorite mathematicians. Well done. Well done. But I cannot do that. If I do that, I'll be deceiving you. And I will not deceive you. You are wrong. Now I'm going to give you one chance to redeem yourself quickly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Uh-huh.
We're looking for speed. So speed.
Yes.
If I'm looking for speed, the speed is...
What will now happen? Talk to me now. What will now happen?
How to get speed? This is in minutes. So we'll change it to kilometer. And we'll change the minutes to hours.
Now you are talking. Now you are talking. I see. Do you know what? Yes, I agree. The question looked so simple, convincing and so simple because you saw 40 in 2 places. So your mind told you, divide the 40 by the 40 now. You have 1. And look at them. They went and put answer for you that will tell you, okay, yes, you will be thinking, I'm right. Very, very wrong answer. Terribly wrong.
Yeah.
Did you get that? Terribly what? Wrong. Now, I want you to listen to me. Are you listening to me?
Yes, sir.
Listen carefully. Do you know that, and I'm telling you what I've seen, I'm telling you because I've told you that I've taught a lot of people, prepared a lot of people for different exams, not just common entrance. Do you know that there are some books, there are some exams that will allow you to use different units for speed because they want you to think flexibly. Did you get what I just said now? Let your thinking just go, not that your thinking should just go anyhow, but you should be able to, have you ever heard this term, to be open-minded? Have you heard that term before?
Sir.
Have you heard that term before, that phrase?
Yeah.
To be open-minded. Have you heard it before?
Yes, sir. To be open-minded means you think you have confidence that you're good. Open-minded means that when you will not read the question thoroughly and the question looks simple, but your answer is incorrect.
No, that's not what open-minded means. So
Sir, I don't understand.
open-minded means for you to be willing to learn. Okay, you are willing to change your mind on certain things. Now, I want you to listen carefully. Please listen carefully. I didn't say that this is the right standard. But do you know that you can find a book that will say, that will give you these options. Instead of 1 kilometer per hour, the book will say 1 kilometer per minute. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
If the book had said 1 kilometer per minute, do you know that the answer would be correct?
Yes, sir.
Why? Who can tell me why?
If it's 1 kilometer, because it is written in meters.
Thank you. The time will be in minutes. But in this case, 1 kilometer per hour is wrong, because if you convert 40 minutes to hours, there's no way it will remain as 40. Are you understanding what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Good
sir.
girl. So now let's now do it. Thank God that you redeemed yourself before I did my countdown. Oh yeah. What's my D? My D is what? 40, isn't it?
40 over 100. 40 over 40. Hey!
Who is still saying 40 over 40 for crying out
I mean
loud?
40 over 60.
Where did you get the 40 over 60 from? Hey, now wow.
Where did you get the 100 from? I did 60 plus 4.
Even after we have finished discussing like this, you could just make it look as if I was just talking to myself. Was I talking to myself?
No.
Hmm?
No.
So why you now? Now this thing is going to make me to be upset too. I hope you are not distracting yourself there. I hope you are not distracted with something there.
Why is smiling?
Please, it's not going to be nice that I am here. I am trying to explain something to you and you are busy distracted with something. It's not be nice at all. No. Please, anything that is in your hand, put it away. I'm begging you. Can you see what I wrote down on the screen?
Yes, sir. 40 over.
The 40 on top is the distance, kilometer. Yeah. The one that is down is the 40 minutes that I'm converting to hours by dividing it by 60. Did you get that?
Yes. Sir, that is to be 2 over 3.
And I'm begging you, write it exactly like this. I'm begging you, please. Now, the next step is to write it like this. Please watch you. I'm doing this thing because of you so that you will not go and make mess things up. 40 divided by what?
2 over 3.
40 over 60. I know you've already started simplifying it, but let us see if we can make it easy for ourselves. Don't worry. I would also, you see that it's not like your answer is wrong. 40 divided by 40 over 60. I hope you know that what I have on the left-hand side and what I have on the right-hand side are the same thing. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. So 40 divided by 40 over 60 will now give me what? I'll write it as what? 40 times what?
40 times 60 over 40. 40 in 40 is 1. 60 times 1 is 60.
Where did people get 30 from?
So we not said 30, we said 60. 40 times 60 over 40. 40 in 40.
So 40 in 40 is 1.
Yeah. And 60 times 1 is 60 kilometers.
So the answer is what?
60.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please. Or you write it down in your book. And please don't make that mistake. Oh, please, I'm begging you.
Yes, sir. Safibo is done.
Okay. So when we okay, let's see. Is it a good place to take a break? All right, so let's just do 5 minutes break, shall we? 5 minutes break. Stand up, walk around, stretch. 5 minutes. So we're coming back here at 4:35, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Faith did not go on break.
Really? Faith is a powerful girl. Okay, let's move.
I used it to answer questions ahead of the class.
Oh, really? Okay. All right, so let's look at number 16. Number 16 is easy now.
It's 19.
It's dot math, right?
It's 19.
Let us do it now. Let us do it together. So which one are we going to do first?
We're going to do okay. 14 divided by 6. We also know it as 14 over 6. And if you want to remove them, that other one, it will be 7 over 3. 7 over 3 plus 7 over 3 plus 14 over 6.
How did you get 7 over 3?
My wonder. Equals to 7. Then the radical.
But where did you get? But wait, did you see that? Hey, Faith, please. I appreciate that you are looking at questions ahead, but don't do something out of the ordinary. Look at this thing. I told you whenever you say a number.
Sir, this is not my own name. That is not my own. No, it's just Google. I went to ask Google during our break.
Google.
Yes.
And hey, how will you can be asking Google something now? Is this thing hard for you to do that you went and started asking Google?
No.
Please, I'm begging you. Oh yeah, end it. End all this Google thing. End it. If you're not giving me something from what me and you we have discussed in class, don't give me anything. Don't give me anything from Google. I'm begging you. Oh yeah, stop annotating, please. Don't come and confuse us. I told you something in class that anytime you see a number in front of a bracket, what does it mean? Multiplication. So why will you go and start taking something from Google that is giving you something that is wrong and you are going to follow it, boldly following it? Please, even if it's ChatGPT, have you not seen those clauses that tell you that AI can even be wrong? Please trust yourself. There are some things that you know that even those things can mess up. So don't go and just follow those things blindly. Oh yeah. Now, if I were you, I will keep this 3 first. Don't do anything to it. Okay? Are you following me?
Yes, sir.
All right. So let's go with what is inside the bracket. deal with that 14 divided by 6 first. Okay, so I thought that you are going to, that was what you are going to do. Only for you to now come and give me ChatGPT answer. Can you see why ChatGPT is not good?
Yes, sir. But now,
Not always good. All right. So this is what I would have done.
The Google also you also use your method. He said, or
Who?
Google.
Okay. Okay. So let's come back to what we're doing. So you said that 14 divided by 6, and 14 divided by 6 is what?
2 number. Hey! I mean 14 over 6. Is that 7 over
2 in 14 is 7, right?
Yeah.
2 in 6 is what?
2 in 6, 3.
Yes. Okay. So it's correct now, but we're not done. We're not done. The 3 is still outside, right?
Yeah.
The 4 is still there. Why is it still there? Because that plus sign has to wait. Okay. Now that we have 7 over 3, how will we represent? Now, there are 2 ways you can do this thing now. Watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. 7 over 3 is what as a mixed number? 7 over 3 is what now?
7 over 3. 7 over 3 plus 4 over. So
is what?
As
7 over 3 is what now?
7 over 3. 7 over 3.
People don't know how to change an improper fraction to mixed number.
Okay, we know, but we did not hear you. We not hear you. That is 2 number 1 over 3.
Okay, so 4 plus 2 whole number 1 over 3 is equal to what?
4 plus 2 whole number. That is 6 whole number 1 over 2. Correct.
Thank you very much. That is 6 whole number 1 over 3. Don't forget that the 3 is still outside waiting. No? So now watch what I'm going to do. Watch what I'm going to do. 3 times what? 6 whole number 1 over 3. Change that 6 whole number 1 over 3 to what?
We'll change it to
improper fraction.
Yes.
And it will now be what? 3 over 1 times
19
what?
19 over.
Yes.
19 over 3. It's true.
Which is as good as what?
19.
19. Thank you. Can you see how I did it?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is one way, but I'm not sure I have space to show you the second way. But let me just tell you how I would have done it the second way. Just watch. The second way I would have done it is this. Is to say 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is what? 3 times 4 is what, girl?
3 times 4 is 12. Oh, that's it.
3 times 4 is 12, right?
Yes.
This same 3 times 7 over 3 is what? 3 times 7 over 3 is what?
7.
Thank you very much. 12 plus 7 is what?
19.
19. Sorry, let me write it well so that when you're writing it in your book, you can write it as a second method. Can you see what you are doing? I'm teaching you something. You people are busy playing with yourselves.
So when I was on my people string my head, and it's not me. Who was? It's not you. Everything you just like lying on me. What is you? What is you? What is? can see yourself and can take you somewhere else in life.
So that's how you that's how you wanted to do 3 hours class, Abby. 3 hours class, and then you will now be playing with yourselves in the middle of the class.
Yeah, that time.
Please just look at the second method though. I'm going, those arrows mean that because there's multiplication outside. Please remember that thing I said. There's multiplication outside and addition inside. That is what will happen. Okay. So 3 times 4 is what? 12. And then 3 times 7 over 3 is what? 7. Okay.
Yes.
And 12 plus 7 is equal to what?
19.
They are not even listening to me.
I said it's 19. I was listening to you. It's people that is not listening.
You are saying it. How come I was not hearing you? How come I didn't hear you now?
I said yes. Yeah.
When you say something and I don't hear you, don't you know that it means that you are not talking loud enough? Can you say what I'm doing at all?
Yes, sir.
So please, this one I'm writing now is the second method. And the second method, I didn't start it from the beginning. Why? Because I picked it up from this step. Okay? I picked it up from step 3. Do you understand what I mean by step 3?
Yes, sir.
This is step 1. This is step 2. And this is step 3. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, I write it in your book quickly. This second method is a method that I expect people as mathematicians to understand. More than half of your colleagues may not know this thing I'm just showing you, this second method. But if you can learn it, I promise you, you would not have any problem with algebra.
So you can see Feto. She's playing with what I don't know. She has not even finished writing. I finished. Oh, yeah.
You say what?
Nah, Feto has not even finished writing. She just wrote 19.
19, Ke. Faith, don't misbehave. Oh.
Yes, it is. I'm not misbehaving. Yo,
please write that thing down well. Write it down. You wanted to carry us inside the bush now by giving us a Google way of solving something, and you know better. Okay, are we good?
No, sir. I am almost done.
Number 17.
Yes, sir. Wait, sir.
Can we go on?
No, sir. Not yet, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm done.
Yes?
I am done.
You are done? Okay, let's move. All right, number 17 is approximation. Who can do it for us? When they say you should approximate something, what does it mean?
To approximate the nearest.
Now, do you see the problem with this question? Can you see the problem with this question?
Yes, sir.
Who can tell me the problem? Who can tell me the problem?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, Favor.
The problem is that they did not tell us that we are going to change it if two significant figures, or we're going to change it like by approximating to the nearest hundreds of thousands.
Thank you very much. They didn't tell us whether it's to the nearest to two significant figures, to two decimal places, to three decimal places. They did not say anything. Another question wasted. But then, you know what we can do? Let's make the best of it. Let's just put some questions there. We're not going to write anything, but let's make it an oral question. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Sir.
Okay, so let us assume this question had said, approximate this number to two significant figures. Two significant figures. What will be the answer? Oh, yeah.
0.0089. Correct.
0.0089. Yes, correct. I like that. Okay, so let's assume again the question had said approximate to three decimal places. Three decimal places.
3 decimal places. 0.008885.
3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places.
That would be 0.
Yes.
0.00000.
My God. 3 decimal places. What does decimal places mean?
0.009.
People have forgotten basic something.
Hey,
decimal places just means 3 digits. Yes.
3 decimal places, like 3, like the decimal points here.
Yes.
The decimal point that is there, you take it back 3 times.
You don't need to take it back 3 times. Just count how many numbers are after the decimal point. Finish. Then you now approximate.
200.
So where did you get 200 from?
I mean 100.
Where did you get 100 from?
These are many zeros are there. There are 2 zeros. 3 zeros.
2 zeros. Does it make? How did it not become 100? How now? I don't understand what you're saying. No. How did it become 100? Please, I just asked for 3 decimal places. Finish. 0.009. Period. Okay.
0.00.
Yes. All right. Let's go on to number 8. Let's go to number 18. Let me wipe off that annotation there. Let's go on to number 18. Oh, yeah. Yes.
So,
what's the issue?
Only because Faith put her leg on my chair, I removed the leg. She's not angry with me.
Faith and Favor, are you still good?
Stop it! Yes, I was still angry.
Yes.
Hey, no, Sir, number 18.
Yes, I'm listening.
Question.
Faith, you guys should come out of this thing now. You want me to end the class now? You want me to end the class?
Sir.
We asked for 3 hours.
sir.
We've not even used our full 3 hours, and you want to waste the time that we have.
Sir, we have snapped out.
Let's look at it. Who can tell we should do with number 18? They say we should study the diagram below and use it to answer questions 18 and 19. All right, Faith, quickly. What kind of triangle is this?
Jesus. Hey! Yeah. I don't. Fred, asking you a question. Can I use this pen? Can I use it? I'll fix it for you. Leave me alone. Thank you. Hi, I did not answer your question. She has no one.
Faith. What kind of triangle is this? It's not equilateral.
And in his when he was teaching me how to pronounce it that day, you were laughing at me.
What kind of triangle? What kind of triangle has two sides equal? That when you mark it like this,
it is called. Isosceles. Hey.
Isosceles. Okay. Isosceles triangle. Thank you. All right. So now that we know it's an isosceles triangle, I heard you now. It's isosceles triangle.
Yes, sir. It's isosceles.
Any problem?
No, sir. Hey. Yeah, I'll go back to where you were saying. I'm the host.
Okay, can you hear me now?
1 more minute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So I was asking that what kind of triangle is this? And you said isosceles, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but now if you look very well at this triangle, you will see that there is a line from the top here that goes all the way down. Yes, dividing it. And because it's an isosceles triangle, That line is a line of symmetry. Who can remember what line of symmetry does?
Yes, a line of symmetry is when a shape can be divided.
A line of symmetry
Into what?
is a line that used to divide a shape
Into what now?
into what?
I didn't say you should draw the lines of symmetry. Please stop annotating. I didn't ask you to draw the lines of symmetry.
Annotating.
And even in an isosceles triangle, there is only, you don't have up to that number of lines of symmetry. You only have it like that when it is in equilateral. But for isosceles, only from the top to the bottom like this is what? And a line of symmetry. Please take note. Did you hear what I just said?
Yes, sir.
So please don't mess things up. All right. So what I'm trying to say is this. From top to bottom is a line of symmetry, and it divides. Are you listening at all?
No, she's playing with beads. She's the one that gave me beads.
People are not listening to me. Can you imagine?
He's playing with beads. I'm not playing with beads.
Okay. I think people are tired of the class. I think because I don't understand this kind of behavior you people are putting up. I think you're tired of the class. That's what you're telling me. Eh? That's what you're telling. You're just telling me that you're tired of the class.
No, sir.
How will you be listening? You're listening to me explaining something, and you're busy playing with beads. Eh? Is that good?
No, sir.
And you're the one that is the offender that saying
Eh? Please, oh. Remember that this is a sacrifice that you people are making for yourselves. You can't afford to be messing up what you are trying to do to help yourself. Now, I said that I was saying before you people interrupted me that this line is also a what? A line of what? Symmetry. And it divides this isosceles triangle into two equal parts. And not just that, it divides, can you see this place? From here to here. From Y to Z, it divides it into two. So that means that if here is X, if this small place is X, this small place will also be what? X. Now, another thing that happens is that line of symmetry also meets this line at what? Right angle. So that means this angle is what?
Right angle.
And what angle is a right angle? What's the value of a right angle?
The value of a right angle triangle is...
What's the value of a right angle? Now talk to me. What's the number?
Value
What's
of
the numeric?
right angle. The value of a right angle triangle is that...
No, the value, listen to my question. A right angle is what in value? What is its value? What's the number for that represents a right angle?
90 degrees.
Thank you very much. 90 degrees. So that means that, in other words, that means that this isosceles triangle is like two right angle triangles that you brought together. Are you listening?
Yes.
Yeah. So let us solve them individually. Let's solve them individually. So this place is what? 12, right?
Yes.
Please take notes. Yes. This place is 12. The hypotenuse is what? 13. And then the bottom, we don't know the bottom. Right?
No, this is perimeter.
So the bottom is what? Calm down now. We're finding perimeter. But for us to find perimeter, will you not know the length of the bottom? Won't you know the length of the bottom? For you to find the length of the bottom, you have to find the value of those two x and add them together, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, talk to me. Who can help me to find the value of that x? Yes, we have even mentioned it today. Yes, talk to me.
So, since there are two right angle triangles are 90 degree. 80 degree minus 6, that is
Talk
7.
now. People say something.
7.
So people have forgotten about Pythagoras theorem.
No,
Are you
sir.
telling me you have forgotten about your Pythagoras theorem?
Yeah.
Please, Oya, state this thing for Pythagoras theorem. 13 squared is equal to what?
13 squared is 100 equals to...
No. State the Pythagoras theorem using this triangle.
13. Okay.
13 squared is equal to what?
169.
I didn't ask you for the value. State the Pythagoras theorem using the 13, 12, and x.
Okay.
I'm listening now.
Is 12 and 13. 12 squared.
12 squared. What next?
So 160.
Now, wow. So you people have forgotten about the x. Who is annotating? You're not helping me at all. You are not helping me at all. Please just stop annotating. It's like when you're annotating, you forget what you're supposed to say. You're not helping me. This is what I've been asking you since. State the Pythagoras theorem using 13, 12, and x. And you could not give me any answer. Oh yeah, 13 squared is what?
169.
169. So 169 is equal to 12 squared is what?
144.
144. Now x squared is still x squared, so just write it like that, plus x squared. So what will we do to both sides to find x squared? What are we going to do next?
I'm going to do CLT.
CLT. So that's going to be what? 169 minus what?
169 minus 144 is 25.
Good. And that's going to be 25 equals to what? 25 equals to what?
25 equals to 5.
Where did you, how will you tell me that 25 equals to 5? 25 equals to x squared. 25 equals x squared. It's now when you now, what will you now do to both sides to find x? What would you do to both sides to find x?
Divide both sides.
See? You see?
The
See,
square
that same
root.
thing that you did to
The square root
of
the square root of 25 is 5.
How many times will I correct you people on this thing? Take square root of both sides. So square root of 25 is what? Square root of 25 is what?
5.
Is 5. Can you see that whenever I write square root, I am no more writing square on x? Did you notice it?
Yes, sir.
On this step where I did not write square root, I still had x squared. Immediately I put square root. There was no need to put squared on x anymore. It's no more there. Why? Because I have taken the square root of what? Both sides. Did you notice that? Did you
Yes.
notice that?
Yes.
Now, remember that these two right angle triangles are identical. So that means if this x is what? 5, right?
Yes.
And this
Yes.
other x is also what? Is also what? 5. 5 plus 5 is what?
5 plus 5, 10.
Thank you very much. 5 plus 5, 10. So that means this total bottom like this is what? This total bottom is what?
10.
Thank you very much. So now can we now find the perimeter? The perimeter will be what? 13 plus 13 plus 10, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
13 plus 13
Thank you.
is
26.
Is what?
36.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So the answer is what? 36.
Oh,
Do you understand how I solved it?
yes, sir.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
So please write it down in your book carefully and write down everything step by step. Please don't forget to put up a sketch of the triangle. You see this question, you need to study it carefully again. After we finish today's class, maybe you take a break, rest, but between today and our next class, please go through these questions that we have done today again. Okay, learn it very well, study it well. So this 36 is the answer for number 19. No, we're not done. Because the question, they said we should use it to answer. Actually, they meant to say number 19 and number 20. Okay, no, okay, they just said number 19. It's a mistake. It's just number 19. It's just number 19, not number 19 and number 20. It's a mistake.
I did not write 19 and 20. They wrote 18 and 19.
I know, but it's only number 19 now. Is there any real question in number 18?
No, sir.
Really? So you can see there's not really a question in number 18. So you know what I will advise? I will advise that you draw the triangle in the question. And you see the way I separated the two triangles. Can you see how I separated them?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Can you see how I separated them when I wanted to solve for x?
Yes, sir.
I would suggest that you separate it like that. Okay. All right. So are we done? Are we done writing?
No, sir.
Okay. I'll wait for you. Please write. Okay. Okay, please let me know when you're done quickly so that we can move on.
Okay, sir. Favor
Ah,
is almost
Favor is done. Faith, how about Faith?
She's not yet done.
Who is not done?
My favor is done. Faith is still doing what I don't know.
Faith, you are not talking again. Abby? Okay, I'm not going to say anything. Number 20. Which of the following is an identity of a right angle triangle? When they say which of the following is an identity, what is that thing known for? That's another way of saying the question. What is it known for? Let us look at the options. A, all interior angle is 90 degrees. Is that true? Is it possible? Can you have a triangle that all the angles inside are 90 degrees? Is it possible?
No, sir.
I'm asking you, is it possible?
No, sir.
So a triangle has 3 angles. Yes. A triangle has 3 angles. Only one can be 90 degrees. The other ones cannot be 90. Please take note. Look at B. None of the interior is 90 degrees. Is B correct?
False.
False. Thank you. One of the interior angles is 90 degrees. One of the interior angles is 90 degrees.
True.
Thank you very much. Please, the only correct answer there is C. D is wrong. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is what?
E.
Sum of interior angles of a triangle. Sum of interior angles of a triangle is what?
Sum of the interior angle is 30 degrees.
Sum of interior angles of a triangle.
Okay.
Sum of angles in a triangle is what?
45
Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles, when you add up all the angles in a triangle, is equal to what?
180.
Thank you. 180. Why is you doing as if you don't know this thing? It's 180. So even D is wrong. Do you understand? Please, angles in a triangle is also the same thing as interior angles. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Faith, did you get that?
Yes, sir. Yeah? Say it. Yes, sir.
Number 21. If one of the angles, take note though, if one of the angles in a right angle triangle is 50 degrees, what is the value of the third angle? Another simple question. So in your mind's eye, I want you to imagine a right angle triangle, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Faith, I need you to sit up now. You are the one that asked me for 3 hours class. I told you I didn't want to give you any 3 hours class. You people asked me for a 3 hours class. I'm giving you the class now. The least thing that you can do is to be serious with it. I need to see you now.
Wait, come here. Here's the right angle triangle.
Wait, I need to see you in front of the camera now.
Move your chair here. What are you doing there?
When you will not be studying now, you'll be doing it will be as if you were not in the class.
Right. So I've seen it. I've
Number
imagined
21.
it. Right.
So they said one of the angles is what? 50 degrees. So you can either 50. So what will be that third angle? What will be this third angle? What will it be? What will be the third angle? Now, do you know that the answer to that question is very, very simple? You just told me now that the sum of interior angles in a triangle, is it not 180?
Yes, sir.
Is it not 180? And half of 180 is what? 90, isn't
90.
it?
Yes, sir.
Is it not? So if the angle is 90, then obviously the only thing that is remaining here is to just say 90 minus 50, which is what? 40. Very, very easy. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
So the third angle X will be equal to what? 90 minus 50, which is equal to what? 40. So you can write it down in your book like that. Okay? But please, the understanding is what? The understanding is that the 90 degrees, the 90 degrees is already there. So no need to start saying 180 minus 90 minus 50. You will still get the same answer. Do you understand? Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you can write it in your book like this. 90 minus 50 is equal to what? 40. Please, this thing only applies to a right angle triangle. This thing I'm writing like this only applies to a right angle triangle, because you already know that one of the angles is 90 degrees. So no need to look at that 90 degrees one again. We're only looking for the other one that are not 90 degrees.
Sir, I'm done. Favor is done.
Faith, are you done writing?
Yes, sir.
You done.
Everybody knows it. Everybody knows I am the host. Everybody knows I am. Hey, everybody knows I am the host. Hey, everybody knows I am the host. In the vessel. Oh, he's back. Yes, sir. You are back. Welcome.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sorry for that. This thing went off again. Okay, let's look at number 22. Who can do number 22 for us? 9 squared is what?
9 squared is 81.
Thank you very much. 81 minus 9. Oh, plus 9.
So it's not plus 9. No. It is plus a higher number.
Oh, sorry, 27, right?
Yes, sir. Plus 27
Okay.
minus 16.
Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. 81 plus 27 minus 16. What would that give you?
81 plus 20. 81 plus 20. 27. 81 plus 27 is 108. 108. 108 minus 16.
Yes, it's what?
92. 92.
92. Okay. Yes, I like that. Okay, so you can write that down in your book. Very, very easy. Okay. Nice, nice, nice. Number 23 is an easy one too. Can you see that number 23 is easy?
Yes, sir.
Can you see that number 23 is easy?
Anybody that feel there?
3 chickens of the same weight cost 14 naira 70 kobo. Find the cost of 7 such chickens. So who can tell me what we're going to do? We'll find the cost of 1 chicken, right?
Yes, sir.
Then multiply our answer by what?
You got 7 chicken.
Yes, by 7. Okay, so let's do that. So who is ready? 14.7 divided by 3.
7. So our answer is 2.10.
Where did you get 2.10? And why are you even saying 2.10 in the first place?
7 divided by 14 is 2.
What are you saying at all? What are you even saying? Are you listening to yourself at all? Oh yeah, 3 in itself is 1. 3 in 14 is what?
3. 3 in itself 4. 3 in 14 is 4 remaining 15. 3 in 27, 270. That is
4 naira 90 kobo, right?
Yes, sir.
I'm surprised though. Why are you feeling this thing now? So that means that the price of 1 chicken is what?
4
naira
90 kobo.
4 naira 90 kobo.
Kobo.
So how much will 7 cost? So this is for 1 chicken. This is one chicken, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's write it down there very well.
Sir,
Okay.
Our answer
so have you multiplied it by 7?
Yes, sir. Our answer is 34.30 kobo.
Oh, are you sure about that?
Yes, sir.
34 naira 30 kobo, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I start writing in your book. I hope you will not catch up with me while I'm still writing.
Chicken.
How much did you say it was again?
34 naira 30 kobo.
Okay. All right, I agree with you. Because 28 plus 6 is 34. Okay. All right. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Are we good?
No,
okay,
sir.
So let's do one more. What is it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Why did you say no, sir?
I was almost done. All right.
Okay. Okay, so let's do this. Let's use number 24 and round up for today, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So by God's grace, we'll continue with 25 next time. That will be on Saturday. Please, I'm begging you. I like the fact that you revised or review the last class, but please do a better job and review this class too. It's very, very important. You see that there are quite some things that you are not giving me the right answer at all. Then sometimes you are disconnected, playing with yourselves, and so please review it so that you will get anything that you may have missed. All right, so who can do number 24 for me? Who can do number 24 for me quickly? Who can do number 24 for me? It's very, very simple. Yes, Favor.
So the square of 6 equals, the square of 8 equals the square of 6 centimeters plus x squared. So 8.
Is 8 the hypotenuse?
We're looking for.
Is 8 the hypotenuse? Talk to me.
No.
So why are you now saying that 8 squared is equal to? You start with the hypotenuse. Do you get it?
Yes, sir. 6
Please.
square equals 8 square plus x square.
You are still telling me another thing.
X
hypotenuse is the longest part of the triangle. X squared equals what?
X squared equals 8 square plus 6 square. X
64 plus 36 is what? 64 plus 36 is what?
36, because x squared equals 100. 100.
Thank you. And then what do we now do to both sides?
100, I mean. It is 10.
Yes. Thank you very much. And that's the answer. Very, very easy. I write it in your book. We're done for today. So x is equal to square root of 100, which is what? 10. I hope you are writing this thing exactly as I'm writing it, because I'm patient today. I'm not rushing anybody. I'm not rushing anybody. So I'm not rushing anybody at all. Please do your best to write it exactly as I'm writing it, so that when you are reviewing it, it will be easy for you. All right. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on Saturday, our class is at 9. Please don't forget, okay?
Yes, sir.
Make sure you sleep on time tomorrow evening, okay?
Yes,
sleep
sir.
on time. You have enough time for you to review all that we have done today. And anyone that you need to review, please, you have time tomorrow to do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All right. So, can I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, sir.
Are we done writing? Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay. All right. So, I guess we can call it a day here. So please be good, okay?
Yes, sir.
Make sure that you are good girls, all right?
Yes, sir.
Go do your kolo for giving Mr. Charles stress today.
All right, so.
Go do your kolo. Why Mr. Charles?
Boy, is so well. The only thing that they will reward me with. Make sure that you pass your exam well. Like if you pass your exam excellently well, so well that the school will say this is excellent performance and recognize you with an award. I will be so thrilled. I will be so happy. That's what will make me happy.
Are you here? So you need to do well.
Which exam?
The common entrance coming now.
When is it
Your
coming?
common entrance now.
I don't know.
You say no. What are you now studying for? Say no. Thank you so much, sir.
All right. You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.